Hello everyone, this is Iptinur, professional freelancer and Shopify expert. Okay, in the past part I will show how you create a map. So in this part I will show you how you integrate this map in your website. So it is not so hard, it's pretty much easy if you just follow my instruction. So this is the map, just click this and see embedded on my site. Just click embedded on my site. Then here is the code, just copy paste and save. So just go your Shopify website and click pages. So I will add this in my contact us page. So just go there, click here and just click here. Just copy paste here and just add this tag for better view and save. Okay, then view page. See, now you are seeing this in your contact space. It's so easy. Just click here. See, it will show. So one thing remember, if you want to resize the height and width, if you just go there and change the width and height and save and view again. See, its size changed. So as this is my client website, I just removed it for now. Save. So now I'm showing you how you integrate this in your gem page. So here is a page and here is the page that I created for install locator. Go the page. Okay, here is the page. Just click search element and click for liquid code widget here. Just click it and drop down here. So here is the code. So just click here and make sure that you want this in center position. So here you just take a tag center and between this just add this and save. So here already I added one that's before for my client website. So I added extra thing like see here I added a class. Just copy this, save here, just put it here. Okay, and why I'm doing this? So remember this is not mobile responsive now. So to make sure mobile responsive, I am just added this here and save. So now it will automatically mobile responsive when you will view it in your. Okay, now I am done in preview. See, it will show look like this. So I will show it both way in normal Shopify page and in gem page. And in the same way, you can add this in Pagefly or other page builder. Now I will show you is it mobile responsive or not. See, it is totally mobile responsive and looks good. So you added this, and if you want to change this, don't worry, just go your account where you created map and change here, and this change will automatically show in your website. Thanks for showing this video. Take care. Bye bye.